Hey, credit cousins, ever wondered how to unlock the doors to multiple credit unions without breaking the bank? Well, today I've got a secret hack for you that's not only legit but also free. So let's get right into it. So, for those unfamiliar, let's dive into the world of American Consumer Council, commonly known as ACC. The ACC is a nonprofit powerhouse dedicated to consumer education, advocacy, and financial literacy. By championing the sale of safe and reliable products, ACC has become a golden ticket for many to join credit unions. And here's the best part: the membership in ACC could be your key to plethora of credit unions. So let's get right into it because maybe I don't want to waste your time. So while ACC charges $15 for a lifetime membership, I've gotten a hack for you that can actually simply get you in for free. So we're going to go right here to the American Consumer application when you want to join. And remember, you want to do this before applying for any membership at a credit union. You want to get this before. And this is the membership benefits page where they're going to ask you about your membership and what you like. So it says we provide each new member with membership certificate and number, monthly consumer bulletins, and additional benefits as they become available through our corporate sponsors and affiliates. We also invite you to take advantage of our financial education workshops designed to help consumers make smart choices in building their financial future. So you're just gonna go ahead and click what you are interested in. I'm just gonna click whatever for the sake of this video. Then you want to put your first name and your last name. So I'm just gonna put John Doe for the sake of this video. You want you're gonna also want to put an address. So I'm going ahead and going to put 200 Lady Drive. I don't know who that is, but I'm also going to put Dallas. I'm going to put Texas, and I'm going to put a zip code. So you're going to put an email. So I'm going to put John Doe at gmail.com. This is for test purposes, okay? And I'm going to put a phone number: 123 123 456 7890. Okay, so there you have it. You're going to have your membership, but make sure you put your information. This is just for testing purposes only. So once you have that, you want to click continue. Okay, then it's going to ask you how do you want to pay and what membership you want. So pay attention closely because this is where you're going to get it. So this hack is what we're going to use. We're going to use the code consumer. Okay. And this is where you want to use it on the website. Okay. I want to make sure that you see we're going to put consumer. It could be lowercase, uppercase, doesn't matter. But we're going to do the visual lifetime for $15. So if you're just a regular person that just wants a regular account, you can go ahead and click that. If you're a business, then you click business. Then you click apply. And there you have it. Your membership is now free. Yes, free. And then you'll submit the application. So remember, this video is recorded October 2023. So if you are watching this a couple years down the line, check the comments for updates from our amazing community. Together, we can keep everyone informed. So I also want to let you guys know with this membership, when you apply for a credit union, they will ask you about your affiliations. So for example, let's say we're going on to Guardian Savings Federal Credit Union. I will be doing a video on this credit union very soon. So make sure you subscribe because this credit union is pretty awesome. So you're going to do join now, right? And you're going to do new member account. And you're going to go to personal, right? This is just for example. So if you're not eligible for this credit union through live, work, or attend school, or you're not a family member to a credit union, what you need to do is click I'm an employee or organization that this credit union serves. Then you'll press select and then you'll go up to American Consumer Council. Okay. And then later on, once you click apply and all that stuff, it's going to ask you for your membership ID that ACC gives you. So you want to do this first before anything. You want to grab your ACC membership And then once you get that membership ID, you want to go to all the credit unions that you can apply for that has the American Consumer Council as their organization, and you can apply and get in for free for the credit union. So you're getting an exclusive insight right here. So with the rising popularity, there's always a chance that these free promo codes might expire and be removed. So you've seen it here first. Consumer, it will remove $15 and you will actually get this for free. So make sure that you comment down below if this credit hack worked. And like I said, we've seen this before where other credit hacks before where they either expire or the organization will remove it due to the high rising of people using it. So I want you guys to think about this, see if this is beneficial to you, and act fast on it. I personally think anybody in a credit game that want to build their credit, that want to build relationships with credit unions, need to do this right now. And you can do it for free. So make sure you smash that like button, guys. Comment down in the comment section and let everyone know that it's working. If you are watching this, for the hell of it, just do it. Just try it for yourself. See if it works. And just comment down below. Hey, she wasn't lying. It's working. I want to hear you guys. I want to see you guys in the comment section. So let's get it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.